Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to fix Google AdSense not accepting your request to create an account. They give you messages that you need to fix some things to use your AdSense. Either check whether your site adheres to AdSense program policies or you don't already have an AdSense account. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified of any new video. Alright, so we are going to look at how you can solve this issue. And as you can see here, the account has been disabled in some sort. None of the options are actually active for you to use, and that's a sign that your account has not been accepted by Google AdSense. And I'm going to likely help you to find a solution to this, as I was helped by others. Alright, so first you have to go to your account at the right top bottom. You click on my account. You click on my account. Then when your account loads, and that's your Google account page. So from there you go to the left options menu at the left side of the page and click on payment and subscription. That's payment and subscription opens. The next step for you to do is to look for manage payment methods, which is right under payment methods. So you click on manage payment methods. It opens a new page for you. On your new page, you see the payment methods that you have under that option. You see I have my Visa account over here. So you go to settings, you move to settings. You wait for it to load. When it gets ready, you continue. Right under the setting options, you can see your account details, your personal information and all that. So we move straight down. You scroll down. It's telling me when users are actually on the account. So you scroll down all the way down. As you can see, as I'm scrolling down, click on close payment profile. So you click on close payment profile, and the dialog box appear. On the right, you can see that you can find the Google AdSense options over there. Google AdSense telling you that if you close this account, you are also going to close your Google account. So you choose the reasons. I don't need this profile anymore. You continue, then click on close payments profile. So you make sure you read the options there before you continue. So make sure that you actually want to close your account or understand the action that you are taking. So close payment accounts. Wait for it to load as it gets ready. Alright, so now you can see that in my Google Pay all the menu options are gone, signifying that I do not have any payment options here. So this is my account still. As you can see, I haven't refreshed it, but let me refresh it and we see that the account has successfully been closed and the notification message is gone. The notification message is gone, as you can see. This shows that your initial request you sent to apply for Google AdSense has been cancelled, but your account will still be open, just your request has been cancelled, which is very important. It gives you the chance to also re-request again. Alright, so let's go to my Gmail. You receive a Gmail account, so you move to Gmail. In the Gmail account, you can see clearly. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so in the Gmail account, you look for Google Payments, Google AdSense. Your account was cancelled. Now you have successfully cancelled your Google AdSense account permanently. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button for more videos that are yet to come. Please, I want to have your feedback and help me to improve my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.